He is a seasoned human resource professional with a demonstrated history of working in the banking, automotive sector, logistics, and supply chain industry, skilled in talent acquisition, learning and development, organizational development, compensation and benefits, employee relations, negotiation, business planning, change management, transformation, analytical skills, and management. Ladies and gentlemen, he will be talking about how to educate employees to achieve DEI competence and confidence for a diverse, equitable, and inclusive organization. Please put your hands together for my big boss, Mirza Asim Beg. NBP, please, थोड़ा जोर से तालियां बजा लें.
So I was just having a word with Faiza, part of my team. तो अब वो लोग बैठे हैं जो जिनके अदर बॉसेस ने अभी तकरीर करनी है या उन्होंने टेबल ली है पूरी तो कह रहे हैं कि अब हम नहीं जाएंगे. It's a pleasure to be here. Assalamu alaikum to the distinguished guests, fraternity members, colleagues, and to those who have left. Educating employees, I think it's easier said than done. I would not dwell too much on the presentation itself. I'll run through it. People do say that I speak pretty fast, so I don't think time will be a problem as far as I'm concerned. So educating, is it just HR's role? I don't think so. I mean, you know, this comes from the top. The entire management has to work towards it, and everybody has to own it. I mean, in my opinion, every manager is an HR manager for that matter, or a leader, because you've got people reporting into you. So, I mean, that's how we see it. Is it okay? So again, it's an honor to be here. I'll read a few things, some data. Otherwise, I will just quickly through the presentation. So again, somebody said here that it's not just a buzzword anymore. It is not. Though yes, buzzwords do help us, in remembering the important parts of various initiatives that we take, and they also help us in reinforcing those. So yeah, as far as that is concerned, having this as a buzzword is good enough, but now I think it's time that we take the next step, do more, because we have learned a lot from a lot of industry leaders. We have learned a lot internationally also. So now we have to kind of bring in the impetus and kind of accelerate towards this journey, because a lot still needs to be done. I'll quote an example. Abhi koi aur bhi baat kar raha tha ke to buy into this. So in a previous organization where we had recently launched the anti-harassment policy, so a case came where I was investigating the matter and Asma Sheikh was the chief human resource officer. तो वहाँ पे जब केस डिसाइड हो गया और पता चल गया कि जो साहब थे वो गिल्टी हैं, तो जो उस ग्रुप हेड थे, मैं बैठा हुआ था उस मीटिंग में, तो अस्मा वो कहते हैं कि असल में मर्दों को ट्रेनिंग भी देने की ज़रूरत है ख़वातीन के साथ डील करने के लिए. तो अस्मा ने एक सेकंड उनको देखा और फिर कहा कि ये तो ट्रेनिंग हमें घर से मिलती है ना, हमारी बहनें भी हैं, माएँ भी हैं, बेटियां भी हैं, तो इसकी ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए हमें क्या ज़रूरत है कि आपने तहजीब से किसी से बात करनी है, या आपने बदतमीज़ी नहीं करनी है, या आपने हरास नहीं करना. तो ये बहाने हैं जिनको अभी हमने वी हैव टू स्टार्ट गेटिंग रिड ऑफ दोस एंड टू रियली काइंड ऑफ accept that this is here to stay, and women are going to be part of our organizations, and we have to kind of give them that respect and that opportunity to excel and perform. National Bank of Pakistan, we're going to talk about the journey. It's part of our vision, mission, and we live those values also. And it's the cornerstone of our culture as well. Some of the things that we have done. So we have adopted a holistic approach to DEI, introducing forward-thinking policies and initiatives. A lot of policies are still in the making at this point in time, but we have come up with the basic ones. These policies help us to onboard people with disabilities in a slightly quicker manner. Again, being state-owned, we have certain challenges that other organizations do not have. So we have to follow certain rules, but then again, We are trying to come up with quicker ways of onboarding them, and I'm proud to tell that in the banking industry or in the financial sector, we are the highest numbers of PWDs employed at National Bank of Pakistan. Okay, not only that, we have got a whistleblower policy also. So now the first step is getting these people on board, but that is not the end of the journey. आपने फिर उनको proper tools भी देने और आपने ensure करना है कि कोई उनको, they are not marginalized. So they have avenues where they can raise a complaint just in case they feel that they are not being treated fairly. So we have got that, we have trained people on that as well. Then we have got specialized task forces on harassment, on people with disabilities as well. Another thing that we are doing very actively is engaging in recruitment campaigns. अब वो women के लिए भी हैं और अब हम PWDs के लिए भी शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. I mean, okay, I'll let you know. We are setting up a call center जहाँ पे सारे PWDs होंगे और उसमें now PDP के साथ we are working on it. That's a huge project and something that we are really proud of. It's in the final stages. हमने logistically उनकी facility बना दी है जहाँ उनको आने में आसानी होगी. Now we are at the process of onboarding them. Similarly, we run all female batches for hiring women in different areas, in different functions. We are also now planning on starting all female branches जहाँ पे सिर्फ female staff होंगी. This is something other than hiring female branch managers. Okay, so these are some numbers. We train 12,000 staff members, gender sensitization, and this is something that we continuously do. We continuously train people on gender sensitization because we are aggressively increasing women workforce at National Bank of Pakistan. Financial literacy, we reached over 6,300 women across the nation, something that we're really proud of. We are doing constant webinars, sessions promoting equality, harassment prevention, mental health awareness, so on and so forth. हमारे partners यहाँ पे हैं जिनके साथ हमने deaf sensitivity sign language की trainings हमने कराई हैं, and she was here a little while ago. I don't see her. अभी आ जाएंगी मेरा ख्याल है थोड़ी देर में. Oh, there she is. She moved. She moved tables. So these initiatives have transformed our perspective, boosted morale, women inclusivity into the fabric of our organization. सामन ने मुझे बहुत लंबी तकरीर लिख के दे दी है तो कोशिश करूंगा मैं जल्दी पढ़ लूं. अच्छा, so I mean our DI initiatives are not just limited to our corporate walls and offices. This is through partnership with WWF Pakistan, Connect Here, Bolte Haroof, now PDP, Deaf Reach, that we are creating meaningful and lasting, impact. And some of the notable projects are mentioned here. If I quickly run through them, Women Champions program aligned with State Bank of Pakistan, like all other financial institutions. Leadership and accountability. This is something very important. I would like to mention here that our board, as well as our president, they've bought into this idea. And they are encouraging us and they're supporting us in this. And I think a matter of pride for National Bank and also for Pakistan is that हमने Asian Development Bank ने एक award launch किया, the Disability Award. और ये पहला साल था उनका 2024 में. And उन्होंने about more than 64 banks को across Asia Pacific उन्होंने उनको audit किया. They came to Pakistan, they visited National Bank of Pakistan as well. And National Bank got the honor of winning that award. So we were the first bank to win that award in that category for the first time. And we were competing against banks in Asia, Pacific, Southeast Asia. So that is something that we're really proud of, and we felt extremely proud of representing Pakistan there. Infrastructure development, we have got model branches, जो completely equipped हैं to handle not only our staff but customers also. तो अगर आप कभी भी जाना चाहें उसमें they are specifically mentioned as well, and they are state of the art. Effective communication, of course, is the cornerstone of our DI journey. We constantly engage our internal customers, which are our employees, through regular updates, training sessions, open dialogue. Externally, we proudly showcase our initiatives on accessible platforms. LinkedIn hai, Facebook hai, baki hai. We send our colleagues on different speaking sessions, reinforcing public trust and also inspiring others to join us. ये अच्छे तो देख लें, ये मैं अवार्ड ले रहा था. So these are the sessions, training sessions that we kind of continue doing internally. Can you please move the slide forward? Okay. So again, we are the nation's bank. We have got a 75-year history. We just celebrated our 75th anniversary last year. And our tagline for that was National Bank or Pakistan, or in Urdu, which means that we are hand in hand, and anything that we do has an impact. So, National Bank is not just a bank. It's here that we value equity, diversity, and we promote inclusion. And this is something that we are building on. This is just a start. We've got a long way to go, but we are very happy of whatever we achieved. And we believe that it's not just a moral and imperative, it has a strategic advantage also, as Dr. Saab mentioned in the, in the morning session, ex-Governor State Bank. So let us move forward with courage and conviction, building a future where everyone, regardless of background or ability or ethnic diversity or, gender or age, color of the skin, has the opportunity to thrive. Together, we are shaping a more inclusive and equitable society, one step, one initiative, and one life at a time. Thank you so much. So I've got 3 minutes left. So if anybody wants to ask any question, otherwise I'll be happy to rush off the stage. No questions? Okay, great. Thanks.